Hello dear children, welcome back to the mathematics class. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is subtraction. What it is, children? Subtraction. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, subtraction. Okay, repeat with me. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, subtraction. So let's know what is subtraction. So before going to the sum, we have to understand what is subtraction. So the definition of subtraction is when we remove or take away few things or numbers from a group, we do subtraction. Did you get, children, what it is? When we remove or take away, the same meaning. Remove or take away is the same meaning. So when we remove or take away few things or numbers from a group, we do subtraction. So what we call for a subtraction, when we remove or take away from few things or numbers from the group. So what we call for that? That is subtraction. Okay, let's go for the examples. So before going to the example, let's see the symbol of subtraction is minus. What we call for this? It's minus. Okay, yes. Now you can see on the board the coins. How many coins are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4 and the middle one 5. Okay, so this is a group, one group. Okay, so here we have to write now how many coins are there? 5. Let's write here 5. Now, so here I am going to remove or take away. Okay, did you get the word? Remove or take away. So here I am going to keep it side. So from this group I have removed or take away. We have to took the green coin away. So now you count the number, children. How many? So how many coins I took away? 1. Isn't it? That we have to write here. Now 5 minus 1. We have to use the symbol minus. Now 5 minus 1. Now we have to see the how many coins we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the answer. So how many coins we have now in this group? 4. Got it? Yes. Let's go for the one more example. So here you can see the elephant family. Isn't it, children? We have introduced in the last class, that is in addition. Isn't it? So again the elephant family we are going to introduce. This is Papa, this is Mama and this is the baby. Okay. So here how many numbers we can count, children, here? 1, 2, 3. Got it? Let's write here 3. Now here we are going to remove or take away the baby elephant from the group. Okay, so we have to use minus. How many members we took away? That is 1. That is a baby, isn't it? Now you count how many members are there in this group. How many? 1, 2. That is Papa and Mama. So what is the answer, children, now? 2 is the answer. So 3 minus 1. That is 1 is we took away from the group. Okay. Yes. So how much we got the answer now? 2. We wrote. Isn't it? Yes. Is it clear? Okay. We'll move to the next one. So one more example is, you can see a group of pens. So how many pens are there, children, here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write the number here. Now here I am going to take away 2 pens. Got it? Here I am going to take away or remove from the group. Got it? How many pens I took away? 2. So what we have to do now? we have to do minus. Got it? So from the 4 we took away 2. So now what is the remaining number? That is 1, 2. So how many is remaining now? 2. So that is our answer. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now we'll go for the next example. The next one, here I took again a coins, number of coins. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many coins we have, children, in this group? 9. So let's write the numbers of coins first. Okay. Next, here I am going to remove or take away 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's keep these coins away. Okay. Now, so how many coins I took away, children, from the group? That is 3. So now what we have to do? 9 minus. Okay, you have to say this. 9 minus 3. So the remaining numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the answer now? 6. Is it clear? Yes. Let's go for the exercise, that is subtract by counting backwards. You have to subtract these given numbers by counting backwards. Okay, children? Yes. The first one is 5 minus 3. So what is the number? 5 minus 3. So we have to subtract these numbers by counting backwards. Okay. So let's write the number 5 first. After that we have to count backwards. Okay. 5 backwards number 4, 3, 2. So how many numbers we have to count? 3 numbers. That is 4, 3, 2. Now, so what is the answer now? What is the answer? 2 is our answer. So you can see here 5, 4, 3, 2. So we have to count this 3 times. 3 numbers we have to count backward. Got it, children? Yes. Let's go for the next one, that is 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. So the first number is 6. We have to write the number 6 as it is. Now how many numbers we have to count backward? 4 number. Okay? Yes. Now start from here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many numbers we have counted backward? 4 numbers. So what is the answer we got last? That is 2. Is it clear? Yes. So which I have done a square, that is the answer. So we have counted backward. The next one, 7 minus 3. So first we have to write the first number, that is 7. And how many numbers we have to count backward? 3 numbers. Only 3 numbers. Start from 7. 7, 6, 5 and 4. 1, 2, 3. We have counted 3 numbers backward. So we got the answer. Which is the answer now? 4 is the answer. Isn't it? Yes. The next one is 10 minus 5. So first number we have to write as it is, that is 10. And how many numbers we have to count backward, children? 5 number. Okay. So start from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Is it 5 number is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? So we got the answer. So which is the answer now? 5 is the answer. So we have counted backward 5 number. Is it clear? Yes. So these are the examples for subtracting by counting backwards. So we have subtracted these numbers by counting backwards. So related to this, I'll give you some homework. So dear children, these are the homework. You have to find out the answer by counting backward. The same method you have to follow. The first one is 3 minus 2. Okay. The second one is 7 minus 5. Third one is 9 minus 6. Fourth one 6 minus 3. And the last one 10 minus 4. The same method you have to follow by counting backwards. Okay. So see you in the next class, children, with the exercise. Take care and bye bye.